What are you doing with the toothbrush? Here. Oops. Hey, take this. Are you shaving? Are you a 15-month-old that knows how to turn on a razor and shave his own face? Huh? Yeah, get that ear hair. You're so funny. I just put him on the sink as I was brushing my teeth. My razor is up there. He grabs it, turns it on, and starts shaving the sides of his face. Hilarious.